Turning now to Ready Weather with meteorologist Rebecca Schuld, and it's going to be the first weekend of the new year. Hopefully we'll get some nice but winter weather.
Like just a little
bit. Just a little bit, not a whole lot.
Not like minus signs or anything like that.
Yeah, we don't need that.
But we do have a little light snow for Saturday, so that'll be kind of nice to see that, to brighten things up. Season snow, of course, big time lacking. We had that Halloween snowfall of 3.3, another 1-incher in November, and that's been it. So 4.4 inches so far this season. To this point last year, we were just over 7 inches. 14.5 inches is about average to date. So again, we are a solid 10 inches behind. But let's take a look at January snowfall here over the last 6 years, and you can see that all of these years packed at least double-digit snow totals. So there's some promise. The average January snowfall is 14.9 inches. Last year we had 13.6, but as much as almost 2 feet back in 2021. Right now, the clouds are not producing any snow. In fact, breaking apart, revealing some sunshine this afternoon. Weak high pressure is overhead, which typically gives us quiet weather. In time, that will continue to pass to the east, and we'll have a continued light southwest wind on your day tomorrow. And then these areas of low pressure will be close enough to the area into your Saturday to bring us that light snow chance. 35 right now in Milwaukee, but we're one of the warmer spots here across the region. Plenty of 20s, some 30s, even as far south as Kansas City, cooler there, 33 degrees. But again, we are the outlier here for southeast Wisconsin. A lot of locations are still trailing behind in the upper half of the 20s. Hopefully we can bring everybody up into the mid-30s here, if not at least lower 30s this afternoon. A continued look of that sun and cloud mixture, and then probably still seeing some clouds through the night. Temperatures will drop back into the 20s. Winds remain light through your day tomorrow. And it should be a fairly similar day as we get up into the mid-range 30s. But let's talk about that snow as we get into the start of the weekend. Just after the midnight hour, we'll start to see at least some chances for light and scattered snow. That gets a little bit more widespread as we get into Saturday morning. And then half the models bring it up by the afternoon. Some other models linger it right into Saturday night. But any way you slice it, it does look to be a very light event in terms of snow accumulation. Under an inch here is what we're looking at across southeast Wisconsin. As we go through the rest of the 7-day, we're then dry for your Sunday. So a half and half weekend. We'll stick in the mid to upper 30s, even into the start of next week. Still looking at that chance for what could be a stronger system with snow next week, Tuesday, and then falling back to the freezing mark with dry conditions.